Hi, it's Dale, your favorite balloon entertainer, here with how to make a twisty hat. Yes, a twisty hat. Show you with the bubbles on, the bubbles off. I'll even show you how to do the twist. There you go. Hi, Dale LaBrocta, the magical balloon dude, your favorite balloon entertainer. What I'm going to show you today is something that somebody requested, a beginner who wanted to know how do you make a simple twisty hat, and specifically how I made it. So I'm going to start out and I'm going to show you. I'm going to take a standard 260 balloon, inflate it, and I'm going to inflate it to its maximum level. We'll second one here real quick. All right, now that I get two balloons inflated, what I typically do is I will twist off the first section on one side, typically starting with the knot end, just the way I have a tendency to do it. Take my two ends, twist it together. Now, what I typically do for a child is I will measure their head size. This gives me the exact size. So now from here, I can do two things. If I'm in a hurry, I will just start braiding, and the way I do this is I take it, holding it on my body, I actually insert my finger in the center here. That keeps the balloon from twisting. So I have it locked down. I can go quick and efficiently. Nice tight twist. As I pull away, I am twisting and bending and folding under. Do that again. Putting it on my body. I'm just pulling it, spinning it. Pull my finger out. You can see that I have this perfect joint here. Wrap this around. Now, at this point, just because I want things even, I take it. And there is your quick little hat for Halloween. Side profile. Spin it around. Flop it on that side. So that is a quick spiral hat. Now there is a second technique for this. I'm going to take this apart real quick here. And prior to actually making the spin part, you can put a pinch twist in first. You do a pinch twist, then you have bubbles here, and you have bubbles here. And you can switch them around if you want to have the black on that side or the orange on that side. And you just plop it on your head. Again, either way works. Simple. I always start, connect the balloons, measure it on the head. That gives me the exact size. Then if you want to do a pinch twist, you can. And then spin it around and link it together. Quick hat, quick twist hat. Not difficult. Again, there are some people who like to do the spinning up. I find it's a lot easier. Slap it up against your body. Just fold it as you roll. And that is a way that I was actually taught by the great Roger Siegel, who taught me how to do the spinning of a balloon. It's real easy, one-handed. Just put it up against your body and you just roll it over. So that is how you make a twisty hat. Enjoy, folks. Have a great day. Do me a favor. Subscribe to this channel right now. Better yet, find the bell, click on the bell, and be notified with all the new videos. Or if you're an Instagram junkie, make sure you follow me on Instagram.